Hello everyone, and welcome to our tutorial. Today, we'll share how to effectively reduce stringing that can occur when printing with PETG. First, let's look at the main causes of stringing. Typically, stringing may be caused by several factors. The material being stored for too long and absorbing moisture, printing at a higher speed, and improper retraction settings. For moisture-affected materials, we can take some simple measures. Place the PETG in a dedicated drying box or in a convection oven at 70 degrees Celsius for about 8 hours to ensure that moisture is fully evaporated, significantly improving print quality. Next, adjusting the print speed is also a crucial step. It's recommended to lower the overall print speed to 50%. This simple adjustment can effectively reduce stringing issues. If you still experience slight stringing after adjusting these two parameters and want to achieve a more perfect print, you can increase the retraction settings in the Flashforge material settings. This ensures that the filament does not extrude too much. Now, let's take a look at the print quality comparison. The difference in results is very obvious. Feel free to share this tutorial with other users. If you have any further questions, please leave your comments below. We will update this video soon.